In this video I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files into one, so we can combine different pages into one PDF document. Now for the next step we need to go to the website seda.com. So go to this website seda.com, and this is a very useful website if you would like to do anything with PDF documents, to change it, edit it, fill it, sign it or much more. Now for the next step we need to go to all tools. And as you can see, we have the merge option over here. So we can combine multiple PDFs and images into one. Select that option, and what we can do now is upload our PDF files or images into this editor. So we will select it. Let's say we would like to upload this one, and maybe something like this. Now open all the files, and as you can see, we have opened them all. Now what we can do, we can merge the PDF files, but you can change the reorder. So as you can see, we can now do it, and we will open the page views. Now if you would like to put this document in front, this page, then you can drag it into that place. Now if you would like to place the image on the second page, then slide it to the second option. Now once you have decided how to order these pages, then you can click on merge PDF files. Once you have done that, it will be processing your new PDF document. And now as you can see, we have successfully created different pages into one PDF document. If you would like to download it, and here you go. And once we have opened the document, you will see the first page, second page and third page. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!